In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Outlook with Zoho CRM. If you use Outlook for your day-to-day email and Zoho CRM to manage customer relationships, connecting them can help your messages flow into your CRM workflow more smoothly. In this walkthrough, we will install the Zoho CRM integration for Microsoft Outlook and authorize your account. To begin, open your Zoho CRM account in your web browser. Once you are on the Zoho CRM interface, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Click the Setup option, which is represented by a gear icon. This area is where Zoho groups tools for configuration, integrations, and marketplace apps, so you will be able to find what you need quickly. After you click the gear icon, you will see the Setup menu. Take a moment to locate the Marketplace option inside the Setup area. Marketplace is where Zoho lists add-ons and integrations made to connect different tools. Click Marketplace so you can search for the Outlook integration. Next, you will be brought to the Marketplace screen. Find the section for searching or browsing integrations, and then look for Microsoft. Click Microsoft to filter the results and show integration options related to Microsoft products. This helps you avoid scrolling through unrelated apps. Now you should see a list of Microsoft-related options. Find Outlook in the list, then click Outlook to open the Outlook integration details. At this point, it is helpful to verify you are viewing the correct product, since Marketplace can include multiple categories and versions. Once you open the Outlook entry, look for an option that says Install under Zoho CRM for Microsoft Outlook. Click Install to start the installation process. This step is important because it connects the integration to your Zoho CRM account, so that your Outlook actions can be recognized and handled properly. After clicking Install, Zoho may ask you to proceed through an authorization step. The next screen will prompt you to enter your Outlook credentials. Type your Outlook username and password in the fields provided. Then click Authorize to confirm the connection. This authorization step is what grants the integration permission to access Outlook features needed for syncing or linking communication with CRM records. As you enter your credentials, make sure you double-check that you are signing into the correct Outlook account, especially if you manage multiple mailboxes. Also confirm that the authorization prompt is coming from Zoho CRM and relates to the Outlook integration you selected earlier. Taking this moment helps prevent mistakes before the connection is finalized. Once you click Authorize, wait for the system to complete the authorization. Depending on your browser and security settings, you may see a confirmation message or be returned to the integration page. If there is any status indicator, observe it to confirm that the Outlook integration is successfully connected. When the installation and authorization are done, you have completed the core setup for integrating Microsoft Outlook with Zoho CRM. At this point, your next steps would typically involve using the integration features inside Zoho CRM. But the main task requested in this guide is the connection itself. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.